Okay, here we are going to DA's office.
This is Susan Bassey, and if you've been following this series, you know that we've been recording Mark the Process Server doing his job in Santa Clara County, where he is serving subpoenas on a number of very powerful and high-profile politicians, law enforcement, elected district attorneys, and controversial divorce attorneys, some of whom have called the police on him.
Photograph card for the building or something for date and time of service. So this way I've got her serving it.
This is Susan Bassey, and if you've been following this series, you know that we have been recording Mark the Process Server doing his job, and we've done so for a number of reasons. One, he's been recording some of the most powerful individuals in Santa Clara County. He's served the district attorney, Jeff Rosen. He's served top-ranking prosecutors, county counsel, and controversial divorce attorneys who have called the police on him. But most importantly, we recorded because we know that the individuals in this county, including the attorneys, are known for making up stories that are simply not true in order to discredit you in court. And these attorneys do not want the district attorney, Jeff Rosen, testifying about statements he made in a declaration back in 2019.
I think they're pretty much all the same. I just listed all the names for you.
Right, I'm just trying to see what, there's really no information on here. There's no affidavit or anything.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of people in here too.
I always let the lawyers sort this stuff out.
Yeah, it's just about accepting it. Like I've already talked to Jay about something, so I know I could accept on his behalf.
My name is Jay Boyarsky. I'm the Chief Assistant District Attorney.
And not all of the people subpoenaed are subpoenaed in their official capacities. Mr. Borsky is subpoenaed in his political capacity because he is running for judge.
Actually, any attorneys can be served in a law office during business hours. It's part of the state bar regulation.
Right. I understand, but this is civil, correct?
I'm not aware. I
Yeah,
just know
this is civil because I can tell by these are not.
Okay.
But I need to make sure that I can get these. Excuse me, please.
And by recording the interaction the process server has, we were able to see the disdain DA employees have for recording them. And we also obtained this declaration from a Santa Clara County Sheriff deputy who works as an investigator for County Counsel, where he makes over $450,000 a year. And he had this to say. Beginning on August 29th, Bassey began accompanying a process server who was serving subpoenas on proposed witnesses in this case. Bassey followed the process server, Mark Andrews, and videotaped him setting off alarms, sneaking into private spaces, and approaching District Attorney Jeff Rosen, judges, attorneys, therapists, and publishers at their private residences or workplaces. I have reviewed the security cameras of the footage from August 29th, incidents at B.J. Fathom and Marsha Clark's workplaces. In those videos, Bassey is clearly seen recording the encounter on her cell phone while Andrews bangs on doors and aggressively states that he is an officer of the court or court officer. Bassey also mentions she intends to travel to proposed witnesses' homes and private events. True and correct copies of the security camera footage have been put here. So they are using security cameras from these buildings to claim what they show while we have cameras on the ground. And so that's going to be important, and I hope you'll follow our work for the rest of the day and into the evening when we continue to drop these videos.